Hi dear student, welcome in maths class. We have completed chapter first Vedic mathematics. Today we start chapter 2 real number. First of all, what is real number? Integers, rational number and all irrational numbers are called integers. Integers are called real numbers. Integers whole number with their negative forms are called integers. Suppose that 0, 1, 2, 3 or -1, -2 and -3, these all are called integers. What is rational number? The number which can be written or expressed in the form of p upon q. All fractions are rational number, but the conditions are given p upon q where q is not equal to 0. Irrational number, the number which cannot be expressed in the form of p upon q. Okay, suppose pi, the value of pi 22 upon 7, which can be divided. The division is continued and after some steps of the division again the digits are repeated in the irrational number. In this chapter we studied about two integers. One mathematician, Euclid, his name is Euclid, he concluded that if we take two positive integers, suppose that 5 and 8 are two positive integers, I will put name a big integer as a and smaller integer as a b. When I divide a with b, means 8 upon 5, here is division, 8 is divided 5, 1 time 5 and remainder is 3. Now see here, this is b, this is a, this is quotient and this is remainder. According to Euclid, he concluded that for any two integers, two positive integer, when bigger number is divided by a smaller number, the number a can be written as a is equal to b into q, bq plus r is remainder, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and smaller than b. Okay, r is greater than 0 and smaller than b. This lemma is called Euclid's lemma. Okay, see here again. Euclid mathematician gave a Euclid lemma. He concluded that for any two positive integers a and b, we can express them in this form also. So this method is called Euclid lemma for any two positive given integers. By this method we can also find the HCF. If questions is come, find HCF, highest common factor, by Euclid method. Suppose that 12 and 43 number I will take, two numbers by Euclid method. I will start for HCF. Bigger digit divided by smaller digit 3 times, remainder is 7. Again make them dividend, 12 1 time, remainder is 5. Again make 7 1 time, 2 remain. Again make 5 2 time and again remainder is 1. 1 is divided by 2, 2 time and 2 is. The step for this by Euclid lemma, a is equal to bq plus r, a bq r, a means 43 steps. 43 is equal to 12 into 3 plus 7. 12 multiply 3 plus 7. 12 is equal to 7 into 1 plus 5. And 7 is equal to 5 into 1 plus 2. And 5 is equal to 2 into 2 plus 2. And for 2, 1 into 2, 0. Up to this, these all are written in the form of A is equal to BQ plus R. Okay. This lemma is called Euclid lemma, and by Euclid method we have find the HCF. Okay. Some more proof questions are also given in this chapter. We will solve in next